Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the password in Autofill service to Google, Samsung Pass, or Dashlane, or Keeper Password Manager on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down, and then tap on General Management. Next, we go down and tap on Passwords and Autofill. Then tap on the left-hand side panel over here, Autofill with a service. So at the moment I have Samsung Pass, so it will say Autofill with Samsung Pass. So tap on that left-hand side panel. In here you can choose Google. Now I said make sure you trust this app, so tap on OK. Or you can choose Samsung Pass, or you can choose Dashlane. If you want to use a different service, you can tap on Add Service. And from here, you can tap on the service that you want to use. And then we can tap on the install button to install that app. Once it is installed, you can then choose that service as your default passwords and autofill service. So it is now installing. Once it has been installed, you can tap on open and you can log in, or you can create a new account. After that, you can go back to that settings page, and here you can choose the new service that you have installed. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button or the back key to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.